How to add bank account in Ramp. Ramp uses data from linked bank accounts to underwrite your business and determine your credit limit. Real-time visibility of your cash balance allows for faster underwriting decisions and potentially higher credit limits. Where to connect a new bank account? Access the Settings menu, then navigate to Company Settings and the Financial Accounts tab. Click on Add Account and then Add Bank Account. Search for your bank provider and follow the prompts to connect. If your provider isn't listed, you can manually connect your account by clicking Add Manually. If you want to use the account for Ramp payments as well, update your payment bank in the Settings menu under Payments. And if you encounter issues while connecting, there could be various reasons. For instance, if the bank account requires OTP or has enabled MFA, multi-factor authentication, manual statement uploads are necessary. Ramp ensures the security of your information and funds. The platform never withdraws money directly from your account unless pre-authorized by you or in case of missed payment deadlines, in which case you will be contacted before any funds are withdrawn. The Ramp Business Corporation is located at this address. The Ramp Visa Commercial Card and the Ramp Visa Corporate Card are issued by Sutton Bank and Celtic Bank, respectively. For more information, you can refer to the terms of service on their website. I hope you found this video informative. Thanks for watching.